You have to have certain behaviors that help you move forwards and get healthy. Now, listen to this. You can't heal from an illness with the same behaviors that got you there in the first place. You can't heal from your illness with the same behaviors that got you there in the first place. Now, I'm not saying that it's your fault. I'm not saying that you did it on purpose. Some of you might not even know how you got here. A lot of you do though. A lot of our members come, oh my God, it makes so much sense. I was pushing myself way beyond my means. I had no boundaries. I was always there for everyone else and not myself. I didn't look after myself. I got a virus, I got an infection. I had lots of different things happen in my life, and it was kind of the perfect storm, so to speak, as to why I'm experiencing this illness. And for some of you, that might not resonate at all, but I know for a lot of you, you're probably nodding your head going, yeah, well, it kind of makes sense. I was probably going way beyond my means, and I didn't really listen to my body, and I kind of took my life for granted and not really being true to myself, so to speak. Always trying to prove something. We've got a lot of type A personalities and perfectionists, and it all kind of ties in together. It's not just one thing. It's never just one thing. We've noticed that with thousands of clients over the years. It's never just one thing. It's usually a combination of things that get there. But in order to recover, there are a set of behaviors that you need to apply, embody, and do on the daily in order to move forwards. There's a certain set of behaviors and patterns that you can do that actually keep you stuck, right? They don't help you at all. They hinder you. And so what we need to do is really identify, well, what are the behaviors that one who recovers does? What do they do? What do they do in order to get healthy and feel good again and start to living again? What did Mitchell do? How does he behave? How does he show up every single week, every single day? How does he show up towards him and his life in order to get the results that he's got? Because there are people, and you might be one of them right now, who is sitting here going, I'm not feeling good, I'm getting worse, I'm struggling. Well, what are the behaviors that you're doing that are creating that experience for you? A lot of people will go, but you tried the supplements, and then you tried the doctor and the psychologist, and then you're going to try an alternative therapy, and all these things that you're doing, trying to find someone or something to fix you. And I'm going to tell you the quickest fix right now, the fastest quick fix that I can actually 100% hand on heart say that works is doing the work.